Hi everyone! Today is something little different on my channel. I have had the Sopranos Cookbook on my shelf for a long time, but I haven't cooked many recipes from it. But I thought I'd give it a try now and make a video for you at the same time. Let's start with the first recipe in the book, which is fairly easy. I believe it's a classic called Marinara Sauce. The ingredients for the sauce are pretty simple. So first, 2 cloves of garlic, some olive oil, 800 grams of canned diced tomato, and some basil leaves. And it's served with spaghetti, the cheapest one of course.